Information, to say the least, is a very powerful weapon that can either be used to destroy or build a reputation. But coming from a questionable source of the alleged PIDEA leaks, even the Senate President has an apprehension whether the ongoing upper chamber probe on the issue should even be allowed to continue. Daniel Manalastas has the full details.
As senators continued its hearing on the so-called PIDEA leaks, senators grilled the former PIDEA agent Jonathan Morales. Senators questioned not just the information he has, but also his credibility.
So paano, educate me, paano nabanggit ang pangalan ni Presidente, pangalan ni Maricel Soriano, at iba't iba pang personal?
Your Honor, ito yung confidential informant na nakunan ko ng statement. At ito,
Who is this confidential informant?
hindi ko po maalala, Your Honor.
Anak ng
Sa tagal.
patawala.
Sa tagal po, Your Honor.
Alam mo, ikaw Morales, nagbabanggit ka ng pangalan ng mga personalidad, ultimo pangalan ng presidente, ultimo pangalan ng mga iba't ibang sikat na artista na wala ka na may ebidensya.
Your Honor,
Sinasabi galing sa informant.
Your Honor,
Sandali lang. Can you just let me
Yes, Your
finish?
Honor.
Ang sinasabi mo, galing sa informant. Ngayon, ang sinasagot mo sa akin, hindi mo natatandaan kung sino informant mo? Ha? Am I correct? Hindi mo natatandaan?
Your Honor.
Naninira ka lang ng tao eh.
This person has been charged of violation of Article 180 of the Revised Penal Code, which is still pending before the Metropolitan Trial Court, Branch 4 in San Fernando, Pampanga. In violation of Article 180 of the Revised Penal Code is ito sa false testimony.
Estrada asked Morales for documents, but it seems like Morales could not produce the documents, let alone satisfy the senator. And when it was PIDEA's turn for questioning,
O Pidea, meron bang pangalan si Maricel Soriano dyan at si Presidente Marcos?
Your Honor, in the pre-operations report, there is no such name.
The drug list?
There is no name of the
See?
president, Your Honor.
Maricel Soriano?
No name, Your Honor.
because of the latest development during the hearing, even Senate President Juan Miguel Zubiri expressed doubts on the claims.
Ang akin lang, ang posisyon ko lang, habang nagmo-monitor ako kanina, wala naman sila napapakitang panibagong ebidensya, kundi yung sinasabi lang nilang dokumento, hindi nga galing sa kanya yung dokumento, galing pa sa isang informant na ayaw niya pangalanan, wala tayong, paano yun? Hindi first-hand information. Let us try to avoid making these hearings into a political circus or for a political witch hunt.
Sinungaling, polluted source. As far as I am concerned, I've already established that the President is not involved. The President is not included in the drug list. And even Maricel Soriano, hindi porket kalyado ko si Presidente, we'll just base it on facts.
Actress Maricel Soriano, who happens to be linked with the issue, also attended the hearing and stated her side.
Alam niyo po, first time ko na po talaga na makatanggap ng imbitasyon na humarap sa Senado. Nakakakabahat, nakakatakot. Una-una po, hindi ko alam yung tungkol sa mga dokumento. Nalaman ko na lang yan nung pinakita sa akin. Dahil hindi po ako nagbabasa ng mga ganyan. Wala po akong alam.
Wala.
The Senate is expected to continue its hearings. Daniel Manalastas from the National TV Network for A New and Better Philippines.